As you know by now, most of this chapter 5 has dealt with inserting pictures into the documents, whether it be a picture or a clip art or a chart or smart or shapes. And then we've looked at how to modify those. Well, another thing you can do to a picture or some shape or piece of smart art is that you can add a caption. So some text down here, if you've ever kind of struggled with how am I going to get text right below that kind of explains what this picture is? Well, you can do that fairly easily by going to the References tab, and you'll see why this is on the References tab. If you're thinking, why didn't I just insert a caption? I think it'll make sense once you stay tuned for these two modules. So go to the References tab once again in your ribbon, and there's a Captions grouping here, and the one you want to focus on right off the bat is Insert Caption. Add a caption to a picture or other image. The caption is a line of text that appears below an object to describe it. So you can select your picture, go to the References tab, and insert a caption with the click of the button here. So now you type in what you want to appear in the caption. Figure 1, this is a tulip. And of course the label can be changed for equation 1, figure 1, or table 1, however you see fit. Position it below the selected item or above. So the options here, just feel free to click around. As you'll see here in just a moment, the numbering is going to be automated, and you can change, maybe it's figure A, B, and C, and so on, and then click on OK. So this will be figure A, this is a tulip, and when you're ready, click on OK. So it adds a little text box here right underneath the picture, figure A, this is a tulip. Now, what's nice here is that Word keeps track of all this information, but to simply add a caption, that's all you have to do. And notice if I highlight the entire text, notice that A looks a little different than the rest of the text in the text box, and that is because it's a field. And that's a significant part about inserting a caption rather than just setting an insertion point and typing some text, is that once you're done with a document, you might decide to change the pictures. So if this picture gets removed or reconfigured, the field keeps track of where it is in the document, and the fields will update themselves accordingly.